Hello and welcome to the tutorial on the CISC HSS Connections web app. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through using the home page. So from the home page, you have the option to choose the type of connection you want to work on. So that can either be a one-branch connection or two-branch connection. And clicking on one of these will take you to the appropriate input page. You also have the option to load a connection file, so if you were previously working on a connection, you can select that file when you saved it to your computer, and it will be saved with the extension of .cnxn, or .connection. So if we click that file and we open it in the program, it will take us to the appropriate input page with the saved connection. And if we change the name of the connection to My Connection 2, we can save the connection, and then we return, and we have the option to load this new connection. We can also change the unit system which you use in the program between SI and US customary units. And finally, you have the option to create custom sections. So here you can see that I've already made one custom section for rectangular hollow sections, as well as another one for the circular hollow sections. And we can do this by adding properties either one at a time. So I can make a second custom section, two with different properties, and so on. Or the quicker and easier way is if you have an Excel sheet with the same table, with a table in the same format, you can go to that Excel sheet, you can copy the information, and you can go ahead and you can paste it in. And then we get all our properties in one go. If you're not using a section property in your analysis, like the torsional resistance, for example, you can leave that blank or set it to 0, and that is all right as well. As long as you're not using it, the program will ignore it. Likewise, for rectangular hollow sections, we can copy and paste the section properties from an Excel sheet. And there we go. Now we have everything in one go. We just should make sure that we save those before exiting. So now we can go back to main menu, and you can see that if we change our unit systems to US customary, and we go back to the custom sections, all the sections we previously defined are not only here, but also their properties have been converted into inches.